Okay, I'm just doing the last oil change before I hit 200,000. Check out these horns I put in. They are loud. They have their own relay, and they're individually grounded, so they are loud. It's pretty loud. Oh, don't forget the equalization thing, or else it'll bubble up on you. Okay, last time this thing was kind of loose because I put on the plastic gasket that's supposed to be there. Yeah, that came off a little too easily. Pretty dark. Here's the only hard part about this job. The oil filter. I know you can't even see it. 3.65 quarts with the filter.